How's it going, everybody? In this video, what I'm going to do is go over a pair of work gloves, and this is from the company Midwest Quality Gloves. Check this out. Latex free, patent pending, style 91. The liner is 94% nylon, 6% spandex, and the coating is 100% nitrile. Check that out. And these are called the Max Radial chemical resistant, puncture resistant, reinforced grip. And you can kind of see these are designed for carpentry, automotive, masonry, plumbing, 3D puncture resistant technology on them. Let's just go ahead and take them off. And I got mine in a large, extra large, and I usually go between large, extra large on my hands. Let me just try them on here. Number one, I can tell putting them on, they've got a very stretchy feeling to them, and there's no binding in them at all. That feels really good. You know, I hate a glove when you put it on. You ever put them on, they're super stiff. These are very flexible. The grip on them feels good. Let me just grab that. Oh, yeah. That grip. So what they've done, they've added these little patterns right here. Instead of just laminating the whole thing, it's kind of like a type of pattern. Each fingertip has this grip right there, and in the bend of the fingers has that grip, and right in the palm. And you got Max Radial on the back. Very nice. Feels really good. They feel breathable on the top. Yeah. That has a very nice breathable feeling. There's no restriction to them. These are gloves. I think I'm gonna pick me up several of these. What I think these will be great for is basically, I'm gonna use them for basically busting wood, going out getting wood for the winter. I go out and I cut with a chainsaw, and then I break it up with a splitting axe and get all of my wood for the winter. And this is exactly what I need, because I need to be able to hold on to that chainsaw nicely. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Max Radial Midwest latex free work gloves. See y'all in the next video.